So before we start playing with fire, I just want to say, if you haven't done so yet, please hit that subscribe button. I'm really trying to make a push and hit 10K. I can only do that with your help. And the bigger the channel gets, the bigger the firework shows are going to be. And personally, I believe The Simpsons said it best when they put this in one of their episodes.
Celebrate the independence of your nation by blowing up a small part of it.
All right.
Right? Now let's blow some stuff up. Hi, I'm Jeff, and I'm legally blind. And after tonight, I might be deaf too. But I'm not gonna let that stop me. All right, let me show you what we're playing with this year. We've got Grand Jury 5-inch canisters, Continuum 4-inch canisters, Barely Legal 5-inch canisters, and 12 neon 4-inch canisters. And then there's like some miscellaneous stuff for little kids, and I think there's actually some decent stuff though in that miscellaneous box. Okay, let's go celebrate Independence Day, play with some fire, blow stuff up. Let's go have a good time. Whenever you're ready.
Oh. Nailed it.
Nailed it.
You okay? I'm fine.
And Dan found some random 3-inchers. We got like a dozen of these. Random Fireworks Unlimited. We'll see how they are. Unicorn poop. What the heck?
Daddy, I'm right here.
You have a loud one, honey. I like it. Ew.
No idea that unicorn crap is gonna do something like that. These are called bottle rockets for a reason. Use a bottle, don't do this.
This one's for you.
And especially don't do this. I am a professional.
Professional what?
Yes. Uh-oh. Loud! So, little comparison. Full size, fun size. All right, full size 5-incher.
That's gonna be a big one.
That was a good one, I like that one. That was sweet. Dude, that was a good one too. Man, those 5-inch Barely Legals just shoot off like a cannon, don't they? Dude, I don't know if you saw that. That came down, it touched the ground. That like rained down. Is that one of the minis? It's actually not too bad for a little kid-sized artillery shell. I don't know what that was called, but it didn't even seem like it tried very hard. Wow, 2 in a row.
Yeah, this one's probably not real dangerous.
Pocket.
Same one as the other.
Boo!
Plug your ears, everybody.
Yeah, back to the good ones. Oh yeah. That was party. Here goes one of the first neons. Pretty good. Neon number 2. Yeah, I know. It's raining down so much. I'm liking the barely legals though. Those are good. Which one was that? That was a good one. Dude, I thought that one was like gonna just drop and explode. Made me nervous too, man. I started backing up. I thought it was a dud and it was gonna explode when it hit the ground or something. That had some hang time. New tube, new set. Holy crap. Dude, that was another one that hit the ground. Dang.
3, 2, 1, touch it.
Double. Another one touched the ground. Gee, I wonder which one that one was. That was nice. Whoa. Those shot out and they hit the ground literally 360 degrees around me. Little 49 shot cake. Where the heck are those being shot off to? Narnia? That one was good. Dang it. Is it? Oh, holy crap. Yeah.
You didn't leave the tube.
Whoa.
That was the old one, dude. Glad we stepped back. Glad you stepped back.
Dude, holy crap. That did not leave the tube. That blew up in our face. Whoa.
It's okay.
Yeah, we're good. We didn't get hit.
Everybody's fine.
I mean, I got hit with like a little teeny thing on my leg, but it's nothing big.
What happened?
It didn't leave the tube. It just blew up.
So it didn't launch?
It didn't launch. Yeah, that wasn't a new one, was it?
No, everybody's fine.
Yeah, we're good. It just didn't leave the ground. No, it just didn't leave the tube. It just blew up. All right, continuing. Big one. All right, this one should leave the tube. And it did. And it was nice. That's actually not the first time that a firework exploded on the ground when I was right there. Not even the second time. That was the fourth time that that's happened to me. So luckily that was one of the old ones, not one of the new ones that we bought this year. But if you're shooting off old fireworks, be careful with them.
Here's what's left of the tube. That's what's left of the tube.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, the tube totally exploded. That's what remains.
It's a neon.
Yeah, the neon's got some boom. Holy crap, that was huge. That one was a grand jury and it was big. Nice. The 5-inch grand jury. Yeah, those are pretty good for little mini artillery shells. They're not bad. I know, those are like really fairly decent for tiny little artillery shell balls. What the heck? Uh-oh. Get back. All right, at least that one was a total dud. Came back down but didn't explode. Hey look, found the tube that exploded. Totally exploded. Right out the bottom there. You know what that looks like? That looks like the end of Elmer Fudd's shotgun. When Bugs Bunny sticks something in the end of the barrel and it like bananas back like that. That's nuts.
It's a Roman candle.
Who doesn't like a Roman candle? Dang. That's what I've got for the 4th of July for you this year. I'm gonna end it with a finale. This finale was like a show that I went to in like 2009 or something like that. Happy Independence Day to everybody, or if you're watching this video celebrating something else, hope you enjoyed the show. Remember, the bigger the channel gets, the bigger the fireworks shows are gonna be, so do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. See you guys on the next one. Love you all. Enjoy the finale.